is graded assignment 4. So in this week, we have to set up Iris homework pipeline into a GitHub repository with two branches, dev and main. And then we have to create evaluation and data validation unit tests using Pytest or unit test. And then we have to push inclusion of Pytest code changes to the dev branch and raise a pull request to the main branch. And then finally, we have to run a sanity test using GitHub Actions, printing a report as a comment using CML, which stands for continuous machine learning integration. So basically, we have to demonstrate how our GitHub Actions CI/CD pipeline automatically tests code, changes, reports result, and prevent bad code from being merged into the main branch. The project uses the Iris data which we used in the previous weeks, and I have scripts uh, to prepare the data, a feature store configured with the feast, and a training script. So the main challenge is how can I make changes to my code without accidentally breaking something? The answer is automation. I have created a pipeline that automatically runs sanity test over a change. So we will go through the, so this is my PowerShell. So let's go to the file structure. So first I will open my CI flow workline. So first I will open the editor. So as you can see, uh, all the file and folder structure are of the previous weeks. I have added one tests folder over here inside which I have test data validation.py where I have written uh, y- Pytest for running the performance test and getting the model accuracy from the test. And then the prepare data.py and train data.py remains the same. Here I am just running the train.py as a script for training and evaluation. So first I will show the CI workflow .yaml. So here is the sanity test and CML report. This is the heart of our automation. That is the GitHub Actions workflow file. It is configured to run on every pull, as you can see over here on pull request with the branch main. It sets up a clean Python environment, installs all my project dependencies, which are there in the requirement.txt, uh, prepares the data, and then runs a series of data validation tests using Pytest. Finally, it uses CML or continuous machine learning integration to post a report of the test result directly to the pull request. So first I will simulate making a safe non-breaking change. I will start by creating a new dev branch for my work. Let's go to the terminal for that. And then let's create a branch named dev. Okay. So it is saying switched to a new branch dev. And then now I will make a simple change. I'll just add a comment to my data.py script. So here is our prepare data.py. So I will just add a comment saying that, okay, this is safe and it shouldn't break anything. Now I will commit these changes and push my new dev branch to the GitHub. So I will first check git status. It is saying modified prepare data.py, and then I will do git add. Okay. And then I will comment. Mhm. So it is saying one file changed, three insertions and one deletions. So let's push it to the origin dev. So I will write my GitHub username, which is Ritz. Okay, and then I have to give the password. It is saying that it is dev to set up the track dev origin. So let's go back to the GitHub, and then it is reflecting over here. Dev has recent pushes 3 seconds ago, and then we will go to the this over here, and then we will do create pull request. So sanity check is going on. If you will go inside, as we can see, it is installing the dependencies. It is doing the setup job, checkout repository, and after this, after the completion of that installing of dependencies, it is doing prepare data.py. So let's wait for a few minutes. So as soon as the pull request is created, as you can see, the our GitHub Actions automatically starts running. We can see here that the checks have started. Here we can see the pipeline in action. It is checking out the code, setting up Python, installing dependencies, preparing data, and now it's running our sanity test. Yeah. So it is saying complete job. So all the steps have green check mark, as you can see. Then let's go to the pull request now. This page. Yeah. So let's go to the, where is it? Conversations tab. It was, I think, in the pull request only we have. Yeah. So in the conversation tab, we can see the GitHub Actions bot. This is the CML report, and it is saying that all checks have passed and no conflicts with the base branch. So the best part is that we can see the CML report. Since all the checks are green, I have confidence that my change is safe. The merge pull request button is green, as you can see over here. So I can now safely merge this into the main branch. So let's do that. Confirm merge. So as you can see, and then uh, the pull request successfully merged and closed. So let's delete the branch. Yeah. So in conclusion, this CI/CD pipeline acts as an automated gatekeeper. It ensures code quality, validates our data, and gives us the confidence to develop and deploy our machine learning project quickly and safely. And if there is some issues in the, you know, pushed codes, so these checks automatically rejects that, and it shows what's the issue so that the developers can, you know, rectify those errors and then do the automated thing. So that's all from this week. Thank you.